Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to import bookmarks in Google Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Under You and Google section, click on Import Bookmarks and Settings. Click on the drop-down arrow. You can import bookmarks from Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, or from a HTML bookmark file. Now let's try importing bookmarks from HTML file. Click on Choose File. Select the HTML file on your computer and click Open. Click Done to close the dialog box. As you can see, bookmarks has been imported to Google Chrome browser. This is how you can import bookmarks in Google Chrome browser. Thank you for watching.